Crochet Patterns really looked at beginners and said, good luck decoding this ancient yarn language. SC, DC, CH-SP. And suddenly everybody feels like they need a degree in order to read patterns. Hey crochet friends, I'm Mo, your crochet companion, and today we're decoding some of the most common crochet acronyms and symbols. Because once you understand the language, patterns stop feeling scary. Now, crochet shorthand actually exists for a good reason. Because imagine writing double crochet 17,000 times in one pattern. So, instead, crocheters create a whole system of abbreviations and symbols. And honestly, once you learn the basics, you start reading patterns almost like another language. Now let's start with some of the most common abbreviations. CH stands for chain. SC stands for single crochet. DC is double crochet. HDC is half double crochet. SLST is slip stitch. YO is yarn over. REP is repeat. INC is increase. DEC is decrease. And these are the ones you'll probably see consistently in beginner and intermediate patterns. Probably advanced crochet patterns too, so who am I kidding? Now symbols, those are where people start questioning reality. But symbol charts are actually really useful because crochet symbols become almost universal, even when patterns are written in a different language, which is very helpful if you like doing lace projects and getting your patterns from Russian sources. Very, very helpful. And once you know what the symbols mean, you can actually see the structure of the project before you make it. And like myself, sometimes I use both the written and the symbol charts to help me figure something out. Now, if brackets, parentheses, repeats, and all the weird punctuation still confuse you, I actually already made a separate video breaking all of that down for you. Because apparently, crochet patterns love dramatic formatting. And honestly, experienced crocheters are not magically smarter. They just learned the language over time. And once you learn the language, a whole new world of patterns open up. So tell me in the comments, what crochet abbreviation or symbol confused you the most when you first started? And until next time, go decode suspicious crochet patterns, and may your hooks never hide.